Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into something new. We're going to be quickly looking at the Lowe's Memorial Day sale, kind of things they have going on. And I'm going to start a new video style as well. I'm going to be doing tool deals that I can find on Lowe's and Menards because those are two stores that I go to a lot. And we have been doing a lot of renovations inside and outside, so I have went to Lowe's and Menards a lot in the last few months. And I'm always checking these now. And I figure it's at least worth showing you guys, sharing some things with you, whether it's outdoor stuff or if it's tools. I'm not going to go into, everything Lowe's sells, but tool related or yard stuff or anything like that, I'll share with you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. Please drop a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on this video, as well as I'll be doing the Lowe's weekly ad or tool deals that I find on Lowe's and sharing them with you. So stay tuned for that video. It should be out next week, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But let's get into this. So we're looking at Lowe's, the Memorial Day values that they are going to have going on. And this is from May 20th to June 2nd. So it's going to run through this weekend. We're getting to it a little bit late, but it's still going on, and I'll get this posted up as soon as possible. So hopefully Thursday. Here they do have a couple items. They have the Craftsman. It's got a Briggs & Stratton engine. When it comes to Craftsman tools, I don't buy them anymore. It's not what they used to be. Plus, they're still charging a lot for overseas tools, especially for the quality. Now, if I ever find extremely good deals on them, I would consider them. But 90% of the time, I don't even bother really looking at Craftsman. But this is obviously a mower. It's a little bit different from hand tools. So they got that going on for $250. And then they do have a Greenworks 2000 psi 1.1 gallon per minute electric pressure washer. So this one I have a Greenworks pressure washer, and I've been extremely pleased with it. I believe mine's 1500 psi, maybe 1600 psi. It's standalone. It's got the wheels. There's no cart like this in it. It's a vertical standing pressure washer. So it's a little bit different setup than this, but as far as I know and have heard, Greenworks makes some really good, affordable stuff. It's not going to be the top of the line stuff, but for the price you're paying, you usually get a dang good deal. So I think this one's a pretty good buy. It's got more PSI than mine does, but I believe mine's a higher gallon per minute. I want to say mine is a 1.5. I can't remember for sure, but it seems like a pretty good deal. Greenworks has a lot of different pressure washers, though. So here is a little information on this if you want to pause it and read that, but other than that, we're going to carry on. I've also been doing a lot of grilling because it's beautiful outside and we just redid the backyard, and I try and spend as much time back there as possible. Now, these aren't the greatest. Pit Boss makes some pretty good stuff. That's not really what I'm looking at through here. Here they have a Little Giant. I haven't used a ladder of this style in probably close to 10 years. I use my step ladder for 90% of the things I do, but for $155, it's a 6-foot ladder, 300-pound load capacity. Seems like a pretty good ladder. Okay, so they have the Ego stuff at Lowe's now. It says #1 rated battery powered platform. Truthfully, I haven't really looked into this company whatsoever. Haven't really heard anybody talking about them either, so I'm not really sure if that's something. Okay, so it says based on 2020 Trackline dollar share data. I don't know how trustworthy that is. I don't know. Maybe it's some good stuff. If you guys have ever used any of this stuff, please let me know your guys' thoughts. As far as the Cobalt stuff, I have used this, and my Cobalt cordless yard tools have been fantastic. I bought basically this set, but the 24 volt 2 years ago. The thing's been fantastic. I got it on sale. I want to say it was under $100 or just around 100. It was a really good deal. Now, granted, it wasn't the 40 volt, but I also picked up a Cobalt drill on the clearance rack because the rest of the kit had been sold, I'm guessing for warranty, but the drill was still there by itself, brand new. I got it for 25 bucks, 20 or 25 bucks. But the weed eater and leaf blower that I got came with a 24 volt battery, and I got the drill, so it was a pretty dang good deal, and I've been happy with it. The drill, the only thing I dislike about the drill is it's got a ramp up speed. It's not instant power. There's quite a few brands out there that are like that, but it's not a big knock on it, but It's not something I prefer in a drill, but other than that, it's done really well. As far as the yard equipment, worked really well. My buddy that actually lives not too far away from me has the 40-volt setup, and he's extremely pleased with it as well. So I think this is a really good deal. I haven't, or nor do I know anybody that's actually used the lawnmowers though. And then they have Craftsman stuff as well. The pressure washers being powered by Honda. The lawnmower, once again, Briggs & Stratton. This pressure washer over here is a Briggs & Stratton. And then a couple more Greenworks items down here. This is like a super compact 1700 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer. It's pretty impressive for its size. This one is 1800 psi at 1.1 gallons per minute. If I were to not buy the one that I got, this is probably the one I would go with, just because it's got the wheels, cart. It's a pretty nice little setup, so that's definitely something I would consider. Okay, YouTubers, so that's really it as far as the things I would really discuss with you guys. I mean, they got a lot of yard decorations and plants and fridges and flooring, all that good stuff for remodeling your house or replacing things. I'm not going to get into all that with you guys. If I ever come across deals like this, I just want to strictly speak about pressure washers, lawn equipment, lawn tools, power tools, hand tools, stuff like that. Stuff that kind of still relates to the channel. So there are the deals for the Memorial Day sale coming up or going on now through this weekend. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video where we actually go into Lowe's and actually look at the deals they have or sales they have going on with the hand tools and power tools. And I really hope you guys enjoy that as well. And if so, we will start to make that maybe a once every 2 weeks, something like that. And I'll be doing Lowe's and Menards. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, as well as any of these items that you may already have purchased. Share your thoughts. And then, as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.